If you've been seeing spicy cubes all over TikTok, you might be wondering if they're actually worth trying. These hot peach flavored gummies are marketed to help enhance mood and intimacy, with the recommendation to take them about 30 minutes before use. One thing I like is that the ingredients, including maca root and epimedium, are commonly found in wellness supplements. However, it's important to remember that their effects can vary from person to person, and there's no guarantee everyone will experience the same results. User feedback is mixed. Some people say the gummies make the experience more enjoyable, while others don't notice much difference beyond the fruity flavor. Like many viral products, the marketing can create high expectations that may not match everyone's experience. Overall, spicy cubes don't appear to be a scam. They're a real product with listed ingredients. But if you decide to try them, it's best to keep realistic expectations and view them as a wellness supplement rather than expecting dramatic or guaranteed results.